Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fry the perfect turkey wings. Okay, it's so simple and easy to make. Let's get started. Here's my turkey wings, and I'm adding any lemon juice. This helps to remove any bad smell from the meat. If you don't have lemon juice, you can replace it or substitute it with vinegar because it's all serves the same purpose, okay? And I'm using hot water in cleaning my meat. This also helps to clean your meat very well, okay? But you can use warm water as well. So you can see my meat is clean, and time for me to add in my chopped onions and then my seasons. I don't use so much seasons into my cooking. I added 1 store cubed chicken seasoning and then curry, but you can use your favorite seasonings, okay? And time for me to add my salt. So after adding in my salt, I'll then cover my meat to a boiling point, okay? So time for me to combine or mix my seasons together with my meat. I did not add water, okay? Even if you add water, just add a little bit of water so that the seasons can penetrate into your meat for flavor. So time for us to fry our meat. My oil is on fire and I added some onions for flavor, okay? So let's fry our meat. So this is our meat. Voila! It looks so gorgeous, right? I love turkey a lot, but I want it being fried. So this is it, guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. But please kindly subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. Till we meet again in my next episode. Shalom. Peace out.